In this video, we show how to replace a bezel on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a bezel, rotate the lock to the unlocked position, then press the release latch and then swing the bezel out and remove it from the system. To install a bezel, align it with the right side of the system and swing the bezel in, and then rotate the lock to the locked position. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.